What's going on here? Oh shit. This ostrich is about to get his... Yo. Wait, what? I mean, dude's getting his groove on, but I'm like... How's this working back here? What's the sitch? I mean, this dude is fucking... Bro. I mean, Jesus. Dude is going through it. Wow. Okay. And fucking... Her fucking day is over. What the hell? What the hell just happened? Jesus. What the fuck is up, internet? Welcome to the channel, and welcome to this episode of From My For You page. Say what you want about Twitter these days, but one thing is for sure, the For You page is never boring. And since I be scrolling through this shit anyway, I figured why not zip through it real quick, looking for stuff to run my mouth about. Couple quick notes, I'm not a grifter, so I'll be doing my best to avoid all the political stuff, unless I find the grift itself funny enough to talk about. And we'll be scrolling through a butt-ass naked alt account whose For You page is strikingly similar to my own. I assume that For You meant curated to my interests, but are we all just getting the same shit? Our first post is from Morbid Knowledge. In 2023, a fugitive Venezuelan drug trafficker known as Taliban was thrown into the ocean alive with his hands zip-tied and an anchor tied around his waist, allegedly as retribution for stealing 450 pounds of cocaine. Jesus! Reynaldo Fuentes, age 68, devised an intricate scheme to deceive his cartel superiors. Dude, this guy's in the cartel at 68. He attempted to defraud them by dumping a $10 million shipment of narcotics in the sea. He subsequently returned to the water to retrieve the cocaine, repackaged it, and transported it to a Caribbean island. Dude, what? At 68 he decided to do this? I guess he was like, fuck it, man. Either I get 10 million bucks or they toss my ass into the sea. To cover his tracks, he fabricated a false story about Coast Guard pursuit explaining why he didn't return the drugs or money to his bosses. However, one of his henchmen snitched on him to his superiors. He was subsequently captured and dumped in the sea. Oh my god, man. We'll take a peek. So these guys are filming themselves. This drug cartel. This is like a warning. Look, bro. Don't do it to 60. This guy's 68 and he devised this scheme. What the fuck? They're definitely out in the middle of the fucking ocean. Whoops. Dude is in a moment right now where he's just like, fuck it. I tried, man. 68. I'm in the drug cartel. My fucking nickname is Taliban. Like, this is my one shot. And I don't know if he's fucking probably a religious guy. South American people are pretty like spiritual, so he's probably just making peace with whoever he believes is his maker at the moment. He's just like, he ain't saying shit. Is he talking? No, he's just looking at the camera. He's, like I said, he's just making peace with it, man. Like his time has come. He knows it. For him, at 68, it was worth a shot. It's kind of like, I always joke about if I ever got like one of those fucking diseases that kill you. You know what I mean? I would fucking just sell all my shit and be one of those people that jump on the train. Just live on a train and see where it goes until the clock runs out. And this guy said, fuck it. To him, it's probably worth it. He's probably like, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna drown. At this moment, you're just helpless, dude. You're like, you're chained up. You got these fucking military type fucking cartel motherfuckers. They're about to dump you. You know they're not gonna like sympathize with you. Like, it's over. I mean, did he feel that? Do you think at that moment he actually felt his head get bumped? Like, yo, man. These guys just want to get it over. They're like, oh my god, man. Fucking just go. I want to get on with my life. Wow. That is fucking crazy. That was bone-chilling. Imagine knowing you're about to be dumped in the deep blue with no way to save yourself. Yeah, like... Yeah, I mean, dude, his recording skills weren't very good. What? What? What's these other memes? Accessing an underground fire hydrant in the UK. Okay, so there's no volume. Wait, he's got to dig this up? Wait, he's got to dig it up? Why is there underground fire hydrants? Why are they doing this? What's the point? He's got to dig it up? Like, this is like, bro. Why are they doing all this? Wait. So he dug it up. They attach this to it. Dude, this is way too much. Why are they going through all that? This is Moscow. What do you notice? That bitch was miserable. This guy looks salty. This dude's just checking his phone. I mean, it just looks... a lot of crackers. A lot of fucking crackers. That's the first thing. That's brunettes. Everyone's brunette? Oh, it was a blonde, but that looked fake. Cops pretend to be DoorDash to trick resident into opening door. Oh shit.
DoorDash!
Yeah. Yeah, are they like... So wait, did DoorDash give the cops a heads up? Because if somebody knocked at my door saying they're DoorDash, but I didn't order DoorDash, I'm not answering that shit. So was DoorDash in on this shit? And this is the neighbor's fucking... The neighbor spotted this. He probably got home from work and the wife is like, yo, the neighbor fucking got carted off to jail. And he was like, oh shit, let's check it out. And they caught this.
It's DoorDash! I have a delivery!
Look at that. It must be pretty serious. They got 4 cops. Whatever this dude's wanted for, it might be kind of like serious.
It's DoorDash?
It's DoorDash. Yeah, if they're like not, if I can't see them, like I have like a big window on my front door so I can like see. But a peephole, I'm like looking, and if I don't see anybody, I'm not opening the door. But then again, if like this person's wanted for something, right? And so somebody is like hey, if he's like, if he didn't order DoorDash, but somebody's about to give him free DoorDash, I can see him being curious.
I have a delivery for 103.
Oh my god. Yo. This is like dumb criminal 101. So he's still opening the door, or whoever is opening the door without being able to see anybody.
G103. Yeah, I have a delivery for you. Can you open the door? Hi. Yeah, hi. Is anyone else home? You don't live right here.
Wait. So she... This person is like, oh fuck, wait. Is that Wendy? Wendy bring me a fucking Baconator? It's like, wait, what?
You don't live with anyone else here?
I live here.
Okay.
There's no one else here. You want to come and check?
Yeah, can you come in and check?
Go ahead.
Look, now there's fucking 5 cops. Cops pretend to be DoorDash to trick resident into opening door. Okay, so...
Alright guys, you want to come in here?
Okay, so... That was like a little old lady. Right? She's like, there's nobody else here. Yeah, this is like a little old lady. She's like, I ain't order shit. What? I don't know, that was kind of weird. Wait, what? This isn't fooling anyone? So put a fake leaf on your... Wait, what? This isn't fooling anyone? I'm confused. What are the... what? So it's magnetized. I mean, wouldn't you just leave it on there? But then you can demagnetize it? I'm confused. What's the comments say here? Oh shit, this guy's got a whole fake fucking license plate. No leaf is gonna stick to a number plate at 100 miles an hour. Yeah, if you're flying, they're not gonna believe it. To be fair, it will stop the camera from giving you a speed ticket, and police can't do much. That's true. Yeah, I don't understand why you're like... I don't see the benefit... I mean, the magnet I get, but like, who cares if... I don't know, that's kind of goofy. Oh no, you took like the longest ass password. Oh my god. Good luck. Holy shit. Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. Mama cat finds her kitten outside. Yeah, this is classic. Yo, bitch! Get the fuck in the house! It's like whack. And then she whacks it. Screams at her. Fuck! It's way past dinner time. Oh yeah, you're mine. You know better. Grab your ass. Come on. We're getting back to the crib. It's fucking... the humans got dinner ready and you're fucking up. Damn. Cats just be... She was dragging it, like, bite its ass. It's just fucking still gonna cuss it out. This video is funny, I saw this earlier. They know the guy's in there, and then he just swims under and whacks him again. So there... This looks like it's... I mean, this is clearly like they're just making this video. It looks like there's a hole here. Can he swim? Does he swim through here? Or do they have like a... like a board or something across there, a bridge that he can swim under. Here he comes out. Look. Dude, I ain't fucking swimming around in this gross ass water. Bro, it's like, is that like clay? I'm not swimming in that shit. This dude sells it, man. Like, what? There's like a weird, there's like a weird pause. There's like a weird pause. Yo, he hits him and then he fucking count. Whack, 1, 2. I don't know what they're saying, but I'm sure he's saying, he's behind me, he's behind me. I don't know how this ends. Wait, what happened to the other guy? The other guy fall in? Yeah, this guy doesn't even have a stick anymore. This guy lost his stick, so he's slapping with his. He's like fake punching and slapping. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he falls in. Okay. So now there's 2 of them. Oh no, he comes back out. That's good. How's it end? They all fall in. Oh my god, that's good. Installing rebar. Yeah, these guys get some. You just think when you see construction guys, they're just construction guys, but these people are like engineers and shit. You know, there's workers, but you know, they're trained to. They have to know how shit fucking works. I mean, that's just cool looking. This is how to properly fold clothes. I mean, dude, I see this shit and I'm just like, it's not complicated, man. I don't even have a drawer, right? I have a closet. I hang up my shirts on hangers, and then I fold my drawers, my boxers. I fold my shorts because I rarely wear pants, and even my pants though, I fold those. Like, you just fucking flip them until they're like a little bit of a rectangle. Like, look at this. You're coming up with the same shit. Like, what's it? That's. Why do that? For what? It's the same amount of material. It's gonna be the same size if I just fold my shit in half, fold my shit in half long ways, fold my shit in half until it's that. And put it in the top of my fucking closet next to my piles of socks. Like, come on, man. It's unnecessary to overthink folding your fucking clothes, honestly. What's going on here? Oh shit. This ostrich is about to get his. Yo. Wait, what? I mean, dude's getting his groove on, but I'm like, how's this working back here? What's the sitch? I mean, this dude is fucking, bro. I mean, Jesus, dude is going through it. Wow. Okay. And fucking, her fucking day is over. What the hell? What the hell just happened? Jesus. He is cooked. Yeah, he jumps the turnstile and then they don't do anything? It's just music. This is 1890s colorized footage. Oh yeah, I've seen this a million times. This guy comes in riding his bike and they just bully his ass. Like, this guy's just minding his own business. They start bullying him. I mean, I don't know what the social situation is wherever this is at, but like, oh, this is France. But like, in the neighborhood, people, could you imagine today people fucking out in the street throwing snowballs at each other in like New York City or something? There's no way nobody doesn't get shot. That guy riding a bike, they're shooting his ass. I mean, say what you think, whatever you want about Elon, but nobody's calling fucking Twitter X. Somebody says X, I'm like, what are you? It's Twitter, dude. I mean, I know you thought it was cool, and it's your shit, so you can rename it, but I mean, people call shit what they call it, and it's just ingrained at this point. Even new, at some point maybe, like younger kids, I don't know what younger people call it. I just hear it called Twitter. Nobody calls it X. Mother gets jumped by her daughter's friends after they find out she has been abusing her. Oh shit. Also, just so much violence on this app, dude. Kindness matters. Oh, this poor doggo. He's just going through it. Ah, thanks, human. He's like, am I on camera, guys? He's like, do I get something? Poor guy. Don't touch my sugar daddy. Oh, shit. Oh shit. Cat is dead. Yeah, wait. I've seen this before. The chick is running, dude is on crutches. She runs into him. But then he goes over. Yeah, they give her the crutches. I mean, would you have paid attention enough? Like, you'd have to see it. You'd have to watch it happen. Like, they're probably checking out the girl. And they're like, she doesn't have crutches, because they're probably looking at her. And then they wreck. They get up to help. That's the kind of prank this is the kind of prank people should do. Any of that other shit, like, this is perfect. That's the best kind of prank. Yeah, this is, what the fuck, man. I mean, the only thing is that we don't know how old this kid is. Like, this kid looks young. But do we know if he's young? Like, I don't know what this is. Do we got like a article on this yet? Are they related, or is he just a pedophile? Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, so everybody just assumes his dad, I guess? I mean, it's definitely not his dad. Yeah, wait, what? do we know what this guy? What I forget. I thought I saw what this guy. Yeah, the Snooker World Championship guy.
What's all this about?
Yeah, like it looks like a kid. If he's a kid, like what the fuck? He's like, oh, look at us, we're on camera. Yeah, I don't know, man. That shit is crazy. Her dad bought her a BMW for her birthday and she did this. Oh my god.
Ooh. What's wrong?
BMW. What?
Yo, this your surprise.
BMW. What's that?
This your surprise.
What?
This yours. Open your eyes.
Does she not know what a BMW is?
Ooh. What's wrong?
BMW. What?
Yo, this your surprise.
What is she mad about?
BMW. I don't want that. What is that? What?
Nobody drive this anymore?
Brand new. Here.
What? I wanted a Tesla? Oh, jeez, dude. I mean, I don't understand. I mean, and nobody gave me a car growing up, so I just can't imagine. Like, if you're giving your daughter a BMW, like, she's probably never heard no. Right? This girl, I don't know how old she is. She's already got tattoos. If she's like a teenager.
What's wrong?
BMW. What?
Yo, this your surprise.
BMW. What's that?
This your surprise.
He like shrugs her dad off. Like, oh my god. Does she not know what a BMW is?
This yours. This yours paid for.
It's yours, paid for it. Fresh off the lot. What's wrong with it?
I wanted a Tesla.
What?
A
Look at this car. I didn't.
I mean, the only way I can see she being salty is if they had already talked about it and they were like, we're gonna get you a car, and she wanted a Tesla. It's the only.
I have enough of the Tesla.
What is this?
I mean, wait. This is a brand new Beamer.
I don't want that. What is that?
That's like a $60,000 car. You couldn't have got a Tesla? Oh, maybe she wanted the Cybertruck.
What? Nah.
Nobody drives this no more?
He paid his money for it. No.
I want a Tesla.
I mean, but that's, you're not appreciative.
Wow. I mean, I feel like they're recording her on purpose. Maybe that ain't real. I don't know. I feel like it's hard to believe anybody being salty about getting a new car, even if it isn't the shit they liked. Like, it's not like a crazy weirdo color. There's not like a weird logo on it or nothing. Like, to be salty about getting a free car, I just feel like can't be real. Yeah, I saw this, man. Now, this is what I didn't understand. So, is she just, did she think she was putting something else in the refrigerator? Or like, why would it be something that you ever did? Like, she's on the phone, and so is she so distracted that she thought she was putting something else in the fridge? If you haven't seen this, like, she goes, I don't even know what the outcome is. Like, this is all sped up too. You're talking like, we started at 7:05. Oh no, we started at 5. We started at 10 10 of 5. And it's been... Dude, the kid's been in there a half hour. Like, you're talking about an hour right now. The kid's been in the refrigerator and they can't find it. Like, what? And then they don't show an outcome. Maybe in the comments they talk about what actually happened. Okay, so here's the aftermath. At fucking... I mean, they showed it. Yeah, part 2. Okay. Oh my god, dude. That's just crazy. Anyway, that's all I have for now. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.